How to enable dark mode in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. If you want to reduce eye strain and save battery life, so watch till the end and let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Display and Brightness from the menu options. Once in the Display and Brightness section, you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Tap on Dark to immediately switch to dark mode for the automatic switching. Toggle on Automatic. Tap Options to set a custom schedule or use sunset to sunrise. You can also enable dark mode by Control Panel also. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Then long press the brightness slider and tap the dark mode icon to enable it. Now test your apps and home screen. Open apps and check your home screen to see the new dark mode appearance. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode in iOS 18.1. Enjoy the sleek look and improved battery life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.